So today I'm going to be talking about respiratory support and some natural wellness products that you might be interested in to help you with opening up those airways and helping with your respiratory system. Now this can happen any time of the year. I struggle at different times. In the spring when things are blooming, in the winter months when my windows are closed, even in the spring and fall as things are melting, the leaves are falling, there's different things that trigger my respiratory system. And I've also found that like when I'm starting a new workout routine, and my breathing rate increases, or if I'm traveling, things pop up all the time that will affect my breathing ability, whether I want to take in more oxygen or I'm just having trouble with my nose and using a lot of Kleenex. So here's some products that I want to tell you about that might help you with your respiratory system. And of course, if you're interested in trying any of these products, there will be links below, but I would also like to invite you to our online experience where you can do a self-paced course. You can even request samples. All of that information is below. So let's dig into the products that I like to use when it comes to supporting my respiratory system. So for starters, Breathe Drops. So these are throat drops with a Breathe blend, so a type of essential oils all about opening up the respiratory support. And this is probably one of the easiest ways to take something in. And so I keep a bag of these in my purse. I travel with these. It's nice to just suck on these lozenges, and the peppermint and the eucalyptus all just kind of helps open up the respiratory. You can also put this in hot tea or hot water and create a soothing tea that is also beneficial to the respiratory system. When looking at supplements, one of my favorite supplements is the Tri-Ease Soft Gel. And it actually looks like these little capsules in here. And so with the Tri-Ease, this is actually just a blend of lemon, lavender, and peppermint. So lemon is a natural decongestant. Lavender is a natural antihistamine. Peppermint is great at opening things up and just allowing more stuff to move through. So the one thing I love about the soft gels is that when you take them, they can have that really nice supportive response to the respiratory system. My advice though is going to be to make sure to drink a lot of water whenever using some of the soft gels, if you're not familiar with lavender or peppermint or lemon and you're not used to taking that, you may have a tendency to burp that up. At least that has happened to my husband. So I just encourage him to drink another glass of water and he's usually just fine. Then we have a series of essential oils. So if you noticed up here, I have a diffuser going on my fridge. I have a diffuser in every single room. Some are motion activated, some are water diffusers, and I just like having an aroma going in every room in the house for different reasons, whether it be mood or it be energy or it be time to calm down, or it could be respiratory support, immune support. And so I like to keep things going and I like to rotate them. But when dealing specifically with respiratory, some essential oils that I would like to kind of gravitate towards, one would be Roman chamomile. So if lavender is not a fan for you, it's not really a fan for me, but I like using it because of its medicinal benefits. But when looking at Roman chamomile, it's similar. And so it can have that natural calming response to the respiratory system. So you could definitely put that one in your diffuser. Breathe blend. So this is doTERRA's respiratory blend, and it is a blend of laurel leaf, eucalyptus, peppermint, tea tree, lemon, cardamom, ravensara. And what I also like to tell people to do in my classes is go ahead and take and put a couple drops in the palm of your hand, rub your hands together, and then we call this like making your own inhaler. So you can go ahead and just take a deep breath like that, hold it, and then breathe out. And you can do that a couple different times. It's amazing what that can do for the respiratory. You could also just put a couple drops in the palms of your hands and you can rub it on your chest. Now, if you're a little sensitive to peppermint, add some carrier oil to it or do it with an unscented lotion. That works great too. And I also like using this on the bottoms of the feet, because the bottoms of your toes are actually like your respiratory reflexology points. And so that's kind of fun because you can massage it into the feet. It can absorb into your body within 30 seconds, and within 2 minutes it's doing what it was supposed to do. So isn't that kind of nice? Another essential oil that is mentioned in the Breathe blend would be peppermint essential oil. So that's an option. You've also got eucalyptus. So doTERRA's eucalyptus now is 5 species of eucalyptus, not just one. So I love that doTERRA tries to source their essential oils, and they try to specifically pick farmers and co-impact sourcing groups that want to work specifically with doTERRA so that they can make more unique blends, especially looking at the chemistry and the chemical profile of the oils, so that we can, count on this oil to do what it was intended to do. And then the last blend I want to mention is Super Mint. So this one came out a couple of years ago. It's a blend of 4 different mints. And so you have peppermint itself, then you have Japanese mint, bergamot mint, and spearmint. And so the mints are really great at opening things up. And so I also like this oil in the diffuser if I need some energy, or if I just want to work on my respiratory system. It's another great oil that you could add to your diffuser. So you could honestly mix and match any of these essential oils and create different combinations in your diffuser. You could diffuse them by themselves, but those would be my top picks for respiratory. And again, if you're interested in joining our online course and even receiving some samples, make sure to check out that link below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.